one. Double bump streetcar.
There you go, guys.
Give him a round of applause, you guys. Is he gonna put it on the bumper today? Is he gonna get it on the bumper? We looking. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't burn it up. Don't burn it up. Just take that. The dog did it and now it broke.
Oh, both of them? Yeah, no, they just...
59 inches. Give him a round. No. Check this out. When I check in to the hotel, they give me a piece of paper that says spooks on it. Spooks and spirits. And how you gonna give a black guy some shit like that shit for real? I'm just saying, you know, I thought it was racial because it says spooks. But when I read the whole thing they were saying about the ghosts in the hotel and shit, so. But I didn't see one. I didn't see no ghost. Alright, another double bump car. Out here doing this thing. Make sure you check out Dirt Gear over there. We got Diamond Style Limousine service.
There you go, Shane.
Whoa! Give him a round of applause on the bumper. Lotion on the bottom. Connected, baby. Take a picture. Put it on Facebook. Yes, sir. Do that. Okay, Cherry, okay. Your ass. Shots on the vehicle. That was a good one. 6 inches. Oh yeah, and he did this on 520s. And I'd like to conclude that's the hot competition today. Thank you guys very much for coming out. Softin.